Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Toyota Prius 3. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with keyless entry, power heated mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 15-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 4-cylinder hybrid with only 27,977 miles. A lip spoiler, large LED brake lights, the rear wiper, sleek badging, a spacious cargo area with a cargo cover, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row adjustable cloth bucket seating, auto climate control, a push-button start, cruise, outside temp, a digital speedometer, a tilting, telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.